So I've been receiving a lot of comments, and by a lot I mean literally a lot of comments asking me about the kind of camera that I use and what kind of camera should you buy at a certain price level if you want to start YouTube photography or videography in general. And in today's video, hopefully all these confusions will be put to rest. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Today we are taking a look at some of the best DSLRs in 2018. Also, to keep things interesting, this video is a collaboration with a good friend of mine, Angad from AKS. So if you're familiar with him or you want to watch some cool videos, hit the link in the description and check out his channel. With that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's look at a few good cameras.
Now my choice of the camera under 25,000 is the Canon EOS 1300D. Now I know this is not a very popular choice among most people, but let me tell you why I chose this camera. Well, at this price range, this is the only DSLR you can get. That means maximum control over your video. Yes, you might not have a self flip out screen or something of those sorts, or even a mic jack, but trust me, the video control you get on a DSLR, you cannot match on a point and shoot. So this would be primarily the reason I would push it towards the 1300D, mainly because this fits perfectly in the budget and it has very good quality.
Okay guys, so my pick for the sub 25,000 price bracket would be the Nikon D3400. Now my first DSLR was the Nikon D3200 and I absolutely loved that thing. Not only because it was one of the best video cameras back in the days, but because of the fact that the UI of Nikon is ever so simple, especially to a guy who has never used Canon before. I literally can't even touch a Canon camera. I only know how to use Nikon and Sony right now. Either way, the Nikon D3400 has a great build quality. It shoots 60 frames per second at 1080p to help you get those amazing slow-mo shots, and everything with Nikon and the D series lineup has always been top of the line budget cameras that help you get the job done. So if you're looking for something that will not only help you get the job done but at an affordable price with some amazing results, the D3400 should be your pick. Just buy the camera, throw a 50mm f1.8 lens on it, your videos will be absolute butter.
So taking the price bracket slightly higher, around the 50,000 mark, the choice for me would be the Canon 200D. It's one of the newest cameras in the entire list and it's amazing. It's a Canon, so you know the skin tones are going to look great. It's got a flip out screen, it's got a mic input, basically everything you need for a great YouTube camera. One of my best picks for this video.
Okay guys, jumping the guns up a bit to the sub 50,000 rupees price bracket, we have the Nikon D5500. Now the D5500 can be perceived as the elder brother to the D3400 because it has all the great things that the D3400 has, including 60 frames per second at 1080p and the great build quality, as well as the incredibly simple UI so that anybody can use it, but comes with one thing that the D3400 lacks, that is a flip out screen. And if you're going to be using this camera for YouTube, trust me when I say this, a flip out screen is so helpful, you have absolutely no idea. So the flip out screen should be alone a reason to get the D5500. However, you also have Wi-Fi, touchscreen and a better refined UI along with a few of next gen features including NFC and all those good things. So the D5500 should be your pick, again with a 50mm f1.8 to make those videos absolutely super smooth. Definitely check it out.
Now my choice for a camera under the 1 lakh price range is slightly interesting. Although I do use the Sony A6300, which spoilers Anubhav is going to cover next, but is the 80D. Now I know a lot of you guys already know about the 80D, the 70D being its predecessor, a very popular YouTube camera. The 80D has amazing focus, good color science, a flip out screen, a decent amount of weight. It's a brilliant photo camera and an amazing video camera. There is honestly no flaw I can find in the camera for the most part, and just to let you know, Casey and I started to use it for the longest time. So it's something you can definitely consider.
Alright guys, so the last camera that we are going to be talking about today under rupees 1 lakh is the Sony A6300. This is the camera that I'm shooting with right now, and the Sony A6300 has to be one of the best cameras, if not the best, that I have ever used, at least for YouTube and the work that I do. Now again, this is not a DSLR but a mirrorless camera, so everything in this camera is mostly digital, and one of the added features of that is that the viewfinder on this thing is absolutely crazy. On top of that, you get 120 frames per second in 1080p for those super slow-mo shots if you're looking for that. And this little baby shoots in 6K, downscales it to 4K at 30 or 24 frames per second in case you need that super high quality footage. You can take this on the go. It's so small it can fit in your pocket. You can charge this with a power bank whenever you are. You don't need to charge it with some external battery adapter thingy that other DSLRs have. And all in all, I love Sony, the thing that they have done with this thing. I bought this camera last year, and I have to say I'm a fan. And I've hooked this up with the Sigma 18 to 35, which is like a killer combo. It can, you know, create fights with the Canon 5D as well as and the 80D, as all of you know. And all in all, the A6300 would be my pick for rupees 1 lakh. It's one of the best cameras I've ever used. If you're looking to get it, you won't regret it. You have my word. Definitely check it out. And well guys, that is pretty much it. If you guys liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Go check out Angad. He makes some really cool videos. With that being said, this is Anubhav signing out. I hope you guys can make an informed decision about buying a camera that will actually suit your needs and purposes. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Have a great day.